welcome to my channel, It's My Life. So today I'm traveling to Pondicherry from Bangalore. So right now it's 9 a.m. morning and I'm starting my journey from Bangalore. So here are some fun facts about Pondicherry what I would like to share with you. Pondicherry is basically a little France inside India. So it's a very strange place. Don't get surprised if you see that some general people like auto rickshaws, they are also speaking in French. So there are some statistics I would like to share. So in Pondicherry, more than 60% of people, they can literally fluently speak in French, and within that 60%, 10 to 20%, they have the France visa, they have the dual citizenship, and they can, they are staying here, but they can also stay over there. All the students, they have the second language, that is French, and it's a diverse culture. It's a very vibrant culture, of Tamilian and the French people. So let's go. So just sit back, grab your coffee, and let me take you through a virtual tour of Pondicherry. So this road is called the East Coast Road. This connects basically the Chennai, which is the Tamil Nadu capital, and the Pondicherry. This is Mudaliarkuppam, the boating house on the East Coast Road. A lot of people are doing boating now. Here you can do boating, but we do not have much time to go to Pondicherry, so we have to quickly rush out and this is my third or fourth time I'm visiting Pondicherry, and I do not have a specific, it's a very impromptu trip. Just thought of going somewhere, and the first name that came in my mind is Pondicherry. So finally we have reached Pondicherry. I'm just standing right here. You can see the Gandhi statue behind me, and this is the rocky beach. The first thing I will do is to check into our hotel. We are staying here, the Promenade. High-design luxury boutique hotel on the rocky beach, the Promenade. Overlooking the sea, the hotel's location is unparalleled. It's a perfect destination for spending holidays. you can experience the glorious Bay of Bengal. At the same time, it is situated at the core of the White Town. All these experiences I will share in my next vlog. The rooms were exquisite yet simple and classy, and the hotel staffs were extremely courteous. All the standard services like minibar, tea, coffee and refreshments, the high-speed Wi-Fi, everything was there. And the highlight is the veranda with an incredible sea view. The food was great and the beverage. During evening, we stroll around the streets of Promenade and the White Town. We also checked the French-style cafe, which is by the way one of my favorite, the Lay Cafe on the Promenade beach, and ate lots of food. We checked hustling and bustling Nehru Street for some shopping and ended our day with an awesome dinner with live music at their sister hotel, which is Le Duple. And all these experiences I will share with you in my next